Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Studies with Joy. So in this video, we are going to continue this chapter, the thief's story that we had done in the part 1 of this chapter. Now we will continue the remaining part, and I will also give you the notes of this chapter in this video. And we are going to do the most interesting part of the story in today's video. So watch this video till the end and you will enjoy it, I am sure, because now we have came very far in the story. We have seen so many things, and now we will see a very big change in the life of the narrator. Now let's start with our today's topic. If you're new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button so that you get the first notification when we upload a new video. Okay, now let's start with our today's topic, and we will continue this chapter now. But before continuing, I would like to tell you that if you have not seen the first part of this chapter, then I have given the link in the description box. Go and see it first, and I have also given the warming up section answers in first part of this chapter. So watch those videos if you have not watched the first part of this chapter. Now let's start with our second part. That's we will continue from here. So what we had seen till now, we had seen that the narrator, that is Hari Singh, is a quite successful and experienced thief at the age of 15 only, and he meets Anil, a easygoing boy, a simple and kind boy, and who is of 25 years old, and he tries to win his trust, and he also wins his trust. And Ani, who teaches him to cook, who teaches also him to read and write, to whole sentences, his name, he his trust makes the narrator, who is a thief, very difficult for him to very difficult to rob Anil, because somewhere the narrator is in a fear that if I rob him, then Anil's trust will be broken. I will not get to learn the new sentences. I will not be educated. If I will rob and then I will leave, then I will get money, but I will not get respect if I will be not educated. And I knew that educated man gets more importance than a rich man. So now let's continue after that. What happens? Well, it's time to. I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So, as in the story, we are seeing that one day Anil brings a bunch of notes, and Hari Singh was attracted towards it, and he thought that now, till now, I have just done and nothing big money I have got of his. I have not robbed him till now. I am working from 1 month, so now I need to do something in my line of work. So he thinks like this, and he decides that I will rob this money and get away from here. Or else he also thinks that, or else he will not pay me also. He's not even paying me, and he is only wasting those monies on his friends. So instead of that, I will rob it and I will go. He thinks like this. Now let's see. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept out to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Unlined means showing no sign of worry or anxiety. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scarce. So Anil was asleep when he went in his room to take the money, and a beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, and he considers the situation. He took the money, and if he can take the money, he can catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow, and ran away from there. Sleeping out the blanket, he crept up to the bed. He reached the bed, and Anil was sleeping peacefully there, and his face was clear and unlined, बिना कोई टेंशन, बिना किसी भी चिंता के एकदम शांति से सो रहा था। वरना हम लोग के टेंशन होते तो हमारे मुंह पे ही दिख जाता है, हमारे क्या बोलते हैं वो फेस रीडिंग होती है कि हम फेस से मालूम पड़ता है कि टेंशन में है कि खुश है कि कैसा है। सो ये बिना कोई टेंशन, एकदम कोई मार्क्स नहीं थे उसके फेस पे टेंशन के या चिंता के, एकदम पीसफुली सो रहा था। एंड हरी सिंह थॉट दैट हिज फेस वॉज क्लियर and unlined, but even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. अब scars means बहुत सारे निशान, चेहरे पे निशान हो गए थे उसके। My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. So he just got the money from the under the mattress, and when he found those monies, he take it like this, very fast. He took it and without a sound, so that Anil doesn't get to know. And Anil sighed in his sleeps. What it means, हम लोग सोने के टाइम ऐसे आगे पीछे होते हैं ना थोड़ा बहुत, तो अनिल भी वैसे ही he turned on his side towards him, the narrator, and the thief was startled. He was very much trembling, and he was very much feared, and he quickly crawled out. चार पैरों पे भाग गया वहाँ से. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees and 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So, अब ये भाग भाग के गया क्योंकि बहुत डर गया था, क्योंकि अनिल तभी अगर पकड़ लेता तो ऐसे वहाँ से फटाफट फटाफट भाग के रोड पे भाग रहा था, और उसके पास नोट्स थे और उसके पजामा से वो बंधे हुए थे. एंड वो जैसे ही वहाँ पर चलने लगा, थोड़ा शांत हो गया, भागना बंद किया, तो उसने नोट्स काउंट करने स्टार्ट किए. तो देयर वर 600 रुपीज़ इन 50s, और दिस वाज अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट एट दैट टाइम. इतने पैसों से तो वो 1 या 2 वीक के लिए आराम से एक ऑयल रिच अरब यानी कि अमीर हो, ऐशो आराम में जी सकता है. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. So अभी वो स्टेशन तो पहुंच गया. वो टिकट ऑफिस में वहाँ पर रुका भी नहीं टिकट लेने को, क्योंकि उसने कभी ज़िंदगी में टिकट ही नहीं ली, टिकट के बिना ही ट्रैवलिंग की है. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So, ट्रेन वहाँ पर आई, उसके सामने से जा रही थी. जब वो वहाँ पर पहुँचा तभी, और ट्रेन तभी भी वो वहाँ पर चढ़ने के उसका पूरा चांस था, तब तक गई नहीं थी. वो चढ़ सकता था ट्रेन पे, बट कोई तो कारण था. ऐसे लग रहा था कि कोई पावर है उसको रोक रही थी. ही वॉज हेजिटेटिंग, ही वॉज नॉट गोइंग, he was not catching the train for some reason that he cannot explain, and he lost the chance to get away. When the train had gone, I found himself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So, अब train तो चली गई. Now he has lost his chance to get away. Then he found himself standing alone on the deserted platform. Means there was no one at the platform. So he is describing it as deserted platform. He had no idea where he will spend his night. He cannot spend his night on the platform. So he had no friends, and he also thinks that friends are more trouble than help. Why he thinks like this? Because he thought that friends will doubt him. They will only call police and make him caught like his former employers. And he did not want to make anyone curious by staying at nearby hotels. माना किसी को भी शक जा सकता है ना, इतना सारा पैसा लेके ये कैसे यहाँ पर रह रहा है इतनी रात को. So he was not wanted to make anyone curious, or he would get caught also. And the only person he was knowing there was Anil, the man who he had robbed. Leaving the station, he walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. तो इसका तो अभी शॉर्ट करियर ही बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि 15 साल की उम्र ही है इसकी, और इसे बोल सकते हैं 15 साल में भी उसका एक शॉर्ट करियर बन चुका है एक थीफ का. तो इसमें उसने एक बात सीखी है अबाउट मेंस फेसेस. टू अ स्टडी ऑफ मेंस फेसेस ही हैड डन व्हेन दे हैड लॉस्ट देयर गुड्स. द ग्रीडी मैन शोड फियर. तो जब किसी आदमी का सामान उससे चोरी हो जाता है या फिर खो जाता है, तो फिर उनकी मैन के फेसेस, यानी कि वो आदमी का क्या रिएक्शन होता है, वो उसने जाना है. तो वो बता रहा है हमें उसके बारे में. द ग्रीडी मैन शोड फियर, द रिच मैन शोड एंगर, द पुअर मैन शोड एक्सेप्टेंस. तो जो भी ग्रीडी मैन होते हैं, अगर उनका कोई सामान चला जाता है तो वो डर दिखाते हैं कि मेरा तो ये भी चला जाएगा, मेरा ये भी चला जाएगा, ऐसे डर डर के जीते. द रिच मैन, अमीर, उसका अगर कुछ चोरी हो जाता है तो ही शोज़ एंगर. बट द पुअर मैन शोड एक्सेप्टेंस. एक पुअर मैन, एक मिडिल क्लास मैन क्या कर सकता है? ही ऑलवेज शोज़ एक्सेप्टेंस. हम लोग एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं हमारे सिचुएशन. बट आई न्यू that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So नरेटर को पता था कि अनिल को जब पता चलेगा कि उसका सामान चोरी हो चुका है, तब उसको उसके चेहरे पे सैडनेस होगी, बट पैसे जाने की वजह से नहीं. नॉट फॉर द लॉस ऑफ मनी, बट फॉर द लॉस ऑफ ट्रस्ट दैट ही हैड गिवन टू द नरेटर. हिज ट्रस्ट वुड बी ब्रोकन, that the narrator cannot see. I found myself in the Maiden and sat down on a bench. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. So एक बेंच पे ये बैठ गया. अभी नाइट वॉज चिली मीन्स यहाँ पर बोलना चाहते हैं कि नाइट बहुत ठंडक थी वहाँ पर. इट वॉज वेरी कोल्ड देयर एंड इट वॉज अर्ली नवंबर. So that time there is very cold at that time there. So, and also light drizzle means light rain. Light rain added to his discomfort. Now raining, small light rain also started. Now he was more discomfortable. Soon it was raining quite heavily. Now the rain became heavy. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So एक बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी विंड आई और सारा क्या बोलते blew the water of the rain across his face of the Hari Singh, means the thief, and his shirt and pajamas were stuck to his skin because of water. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So clock tower के नीचे वहाँ पर अपने आप को बरसात से बचाने के लिए बैठ गए as a shelter, temporary. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. So he got to know that the notes that he had with him became wet because of the rainwater. Anil's money. In the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Now the narrator regrets that he will be not able to cook meals for Anil, run to the bazaar for Anil, learn to write whole sentences from Anil. He would be not able to do it. He would be not able to become educated. He would not get respect. This was the regression of Hari, and he also regretted that the theft that he had done, the loss of trust that he had done. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. This makes that the narrator knew that whole sentence, learning those whole sentences, that means becoming educated, will make more money than the money that he has robbed now. Will get him so much money, double triple money from the money that he had now. So that was more beneficial for him. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So he thinks that it is a simple matter to steal. It's not a respectful matter, and it is also a simple matter to be caught stealing. But to be a really big man, clever and a educated man was something else only, which was very respectful. And he says that he should go back to Anil. I told myself if only to learn to read and write. He went back to Anil to only learn read and write. No, I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Undetected means किसी को पता न चले उस manner में, very quietly. So here the narrator says that it is very easy to steal anything, to rob anything, but it is double difficult to from that thing to return it very silently and undetectedly. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So he kept the notes under the mattress very quietly and he went away from there. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. So next morning he awaked late because he was awake till midnight last night. So he awakened late. Next morning he stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. Heart sank means felt depressed. I thought I had been discovered. तो उसको देखा उसने तो उसके हाथ में एक 50 रुपी नोट था बिटवीन हिज फिंगर्स. उसका हार्ट डिप्रेस फील करने लगा, डर लगने लगा, हार्ट ज़ोरों से धक धक करने लगा. उसको लगा कि अब तो मैं बस पकड़ा ही गया हूँ. I made some money yesterday, he explains. Now you will be paid regularly. But Anil said something else only. He told that I had made very good money yesterday and now I can pay you every day. So you will be paid regularly. My spirits rose. Spirits rose means become very hopeful. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night strain. Now this indicates that Anil knew that he has been robbed by Hari, but still he did not make any issue of it because he knew that Hari has realized. But how he got to know that he has been robbed by Hari? Anil got it to know because the notes were still wet. And how they will become wet if they were only under the mattress? You can imagine this is what we can say symbol, or we can say notification for the Anil to get to know, and also for us, so that we get to know that yes, Anil got to know. Okay, next today we will start writing sentences, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Ani in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself, without any effort. So, the narrator got to know that, narrator says that Anil knew, उसको पता था कि मैंने ये किया है, मैंने उसके साथ धोखा करने की कोशिश की है, बट ना ही उसकी आंखें, ना ही उसकी बातें, कुछ भी ऐसा दिखाई नहीं रही थी. थोड़ा भी गुस्सा नहीं, थोड़ी भी नाराज़गी उसकी बातों में नहीं लग रही थी. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way and this smile came by itself. इसके लिए उसको नहीं कोई मेहनत नहीं लगानी पड़ी, क्योंकि ये धोखे के लिए उसने स्माइल नहीं दी. This is the true smile came from his face. This story, the beautiful story of the heart transformation of a thief like Hari Singh, is written by Ruskin Bond. I hope that you loved it, and I also hope that you got the message from this story that any person can inspire anyone. So we should be always try to become an inspiration for others, and we should always think that if we only do like this, then what others will do? Why we expect from others like that? Always remember that a bad person was is also a human being. So you can change a bad person. You don't just feel about, you don't just become anger give ang become angry on him. Be feel very odd about a bad person. You can change a bad person into a good person. That is your ability. A good person can change a bad person. So always think about it. Now let's go towards the English workshop questions. So now let's look forward towards the English workshop questions. Let's discuss them, and I will also give you the correct answers. But the first question is complete the web diagram. That I am telling you the answers orally only. So answers are kind-hearted. Anil's virtues. First one is, so there you can write many other of virtues of Anil. So you can write any four. I will prefer you that you write kind-hearted, forgiving, helpful, compassionate. You can also write kind, simple, okay, and Hari's vices. Second web diagram. So for that you can write deceitful, lying, robber, thief. These all you can write, or also you can also write opportunist, because he always take the opportunities at all uses. Now let's do the second question, that insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentences that follow. So we have they have given some words in the bracket, and we have to complete it in the sentences. So first one is, I dashed to the school gate when I heard the school bell rang. So answer is, I dashed, DASHED, dashed. Second one is, after the death of my pet dog, dash when my dad got me a new pup. Answer is, my spirits rose. So after the death of my pet dog, my spirits rose when my dad got me a new pup. Third one, do not stoop to dash just to gain something from someone. Answer is, do not stoop to flattery. झूठी तारीफ हमने बोला था, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था फर्स्ट वीडियो में. तो do not stoop to flattery just to gain something from someone. Fourth one, the artist completes his painting dash. The artist completes his paintings by fits and starts. Fifth one, the crime went dash for 11 years. The crime went undetected for 11 years. Sixth one, when the baby saw its mother, it gave an dash smile, a appealing smile. These are the answers of first to sixth one. I hope that you got it. Now next one we are going to do is question number 3. Find from the text the collocation for the followings. So the collocations we have to write. First one is dash dog. Now do you know what are collocations? Collocations are either two words that are always used, mostly used together, we say. मीन्स हम लोग वो वर्ड्स को हम लोग बहुत बार साथ में ही बोलते हैं, ऐसे अलग अलग करके नहीं बोलते जल्दी से. और ये वर्ड्स में क्या होता है, उनमें से पहला एडजेक्टिव और दूसरा नाउन होगा, या फिर पहला वर्ब और दूसरा एडवर्ब होगा. तो ऐसे दो हो सकते हैं, या तो पहला एडजेक्टिव और दूसरा नाउन होगा तो एक कोलोकेशन है, और दूसरा हो सकता है पहला वर्ब और दूसरा एडवर्ब वर्ड. जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल यहाँ पर डैश डॉग, तो आंसर इज स्ट्रे डॉग. सो स्ट्रे डॉग में से स्ट्रे इज एन एडजेक्टिव एंड डॉग इज अ नाउन. सो फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव एंड देन नाउन, एंड दिस बिकम अ कोलोकेशन. And if it is there a first verb and then a adverb, then it is also a collocation. Second one, dash man. Answer for this is careless man. Third one is ticket dash, that is ticket office. So here ticket is acting as an adjective and office is the noun. Okay. Fourth one, It is dash slowly, walked slowly. So here I have told you now that a verb and adverb can also form a collocation. So walked is a verb and slowly is a adverb. So walked slowly is a collocation. Fifth one, dash drizzle, light drizzle. Sixth one, dash sentences. Answer is whole sentences. Seventh one, dash spirits. Answer is risen spirits. Now next one, complete the compound words from the story. So from the story we need to complete the compound words. Now what is the difference between the compound words and the collocations? Collocations are two different words, okay? So we don't write it together, but compound words we write it them together, like cupboard. So cupboard is has two words which are meaningful, which have their own meaning. Like cup has a meaning and board also has meaning. So they both two words have become one. That is called as compound word. Now it doesn't mean that any word can be a compound word, because some other words are also there which are not compound words. Why? Because the both the words should make some meaning on their own also. I will give you an example that in butterfly, butter makes a meaning. Butter has a meaning. That word has a meaning, and fly also has a meaning. Okay, so that's why it is a compound word. But if any word comes in front of you, like kindness, so kind has a meaning, but ness has no meaning. It is not a meaningful word, so therefore it is not a compound word. Okay, remember this point of mine. Now first one is oil dash, oil rich, 50 rupee, easy going, clock tower, moonlight. So these was the answers. Now see, that is pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing, that is Indian words used in English, like bazaar, maidan, pajamas. These are all Indian Hindi words which are used in English. So they are called code mixing words. Next question. Read carefully and complete the table. Total number of characters in the story are 2. Names Hari and Anil. Ages 15 years, 25 years. Physical appearance, Hari is thin and Anil is tall and lean. Earned money by Hari, earned by stealing and Anil by writing. Qualities, grateful, eager to learn. He was very eager to learn, no? Sentences, writing his name. He was very eager to learn these all things. And qualities of Anil: kind, simple, forgiving, compassionate. Now let's do next question, that is frame WH questions to get the answers underlined below. Change the first person pronouns to the second person who were necessary. So actually this question is the question number 8 in your textbook, but I have taken it first only because it's very simple one, and then I wanted to go towards the I wanted to complete first the objectives and then I wanted to go towards the answers. So frame WH question, first one is I hurried back to the room, and now to the room is underlined. So answer will be where did you hurry back? I had made a study of men's face. So study of men's face cannot be included in the question because we want that it should be becoming an answer. So this part I had made only we need to use. And always remember, you need to add a modal auxiliary verb like had, did, according to the tense of the sentence or the question that you make. So what had you made? This is the answer. I drew them out without a stand. So without a stand we need to remove. We want it as answer, so it will not include in question. So how did you draw them out? Now drew का draw बन गया according to the change of this tense. The poor man showed acceptance. Who showed acceptance? I made tea in the morning. When did you make tea? I becomes you always. Okay, remember. And we added did because this we are making it as past tense, so we need a modal auxiliary or a helping verb which indicates the tense. Now next question, complete the given sentence, that is question number 5. So Anil kept Hari as a cook because dash. Hari needed a job and Anil thought he would be able to teach Hari to read and write in return for the food Hari would cook for him. This was the reason. And you will write it here. Hari was grateful to Anil. Okay. So Hari was grateful to Anil for teaching him to cook and write his name. Okay. Next one is Hari continued making money. by making small profits every day while shopping for supplies. This is the answer for this one. Next one, Anil didn't hand over Hari to the police as dash. He believed that kindness and compassion would reform Hari. Next one, the moral of the story is, this is very important question, this can come. Love, kindness and trust have the power to change a criminal into a gentleman. Very important moral, and this is we need to remember in our mind. Now next question is, think and write in your own words in your notebook. First one, why did Anil employ Hari as a cook although he could not afford to pay him? The answer is in front of you. You can write it down. Although Anil could not afford to pay Hari, he employed him as a cook as he must have thought that Hari is a needy person. And moreover, he was planning to pay Hari in kind by teaching him to cook, write his name, add numbers and write whole sentences. Next question is, what did Hari learn from Anil in the beginning? Hari learned how to cook and how to write from Anil in the beginning. Next one, why didn't Anil hand over Hari to the police? What effect would it have had on Hari? This answer is very important. I will read for you. Anil did not hand Hari over to the police because he realized that though Hari robbed him, he did come back as he had a change of heart. He knew that there was no point of handing Hari over to the police as he had realized his mistake and corrected his behavior. If Hari had been handed over to the police by Anil for the theft, then Hari would have harbored hatred in his heart for Anil, or perhaps after coming out of prison, he would have continued to commit thefts. Next question, do you feel Anil's way of handling a thief like Hari was effective? Justify your answer. Yes, I feel Anil handled a thief like Hari extremely effectively by overlooking his small thefts and concentrating on equipping him with the skills of reading, writing, and adding numbers. Anil was indirectly reforming Hari and teaching him the way to earn a living in a respectful manner. And this way you can write the whole answer. And I hope that you write these answers on your own only. I am just giving you a guidance for writing these answers. Next one is, what tact had Anil used to change Hari's dishonest ways? This is the answer. You can take it as a guidance for your writing or your own answer. Next one is, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Say why. When do people give fake wines? So you can write the answer from here. This one. Okay. This is the continued answer of that. Now let's do the last question. Let's write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the following points using the paragraph format. So Hari Singh's background, his dishonesty, his aspirations, his courage to change himself. So this is the half background and the remaining I will tell you. So Hari Singh is a seasoned small time thief. Okay, and he comes across as a manipulative young boy who had cheated his former employers and escaped the police. He speaks lies and takes up a new name to elude the police. He has a specific modus operandi to steal money. He is a perfect example of how old habits die hard. Although he meets a trusting simple employer like Anil, he doesn't hesitate to rob him of his money by making a profit of a rupee daily while buying everyday supplies. So these points I have given you. You can add some more points. You should add some more points. So that's why I have given you some only. And you should add some more points. Like you can write how that deep down inside, this deceitful young robber is a boy who is willing and open to corrections and who doesn't mind being taught to cook. The eagerness to learn to read and write is what brings him back to Anil, no matter how hard he tries. These all sentences you can add. So this way we finish this chapter. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. And also like press the notification bell.